Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Bhupinder Singh, and I am an art teacher at Lotus Petal Foundation. Today, I will teach you how to draw Mickey Mouse. So, let's start. First, we have to draw eyes of the Mickey Mouse. So, start with two ovals like this. When you're done with the eyes, make two small circles in this for the eyeball. Now, make a curved line over here like this. And now, make one more oval for the nose like this. After that, we have to make the eyebrows. So draw two curved line over here, and now we have to make a smiley face. So draw a curved line down here, one here, and one more U shape over here like this. Now two small curved lines here. Now we have to make the mouth and face. So draw M over here. So from here like this, you can draw the M, and now just make a C mark over here, alphabet C like this, and opposite C like this from here, and make a U again from here like this. Now we have to make the head. So from this point to this point we have to join in a half circle. So join like this, and now for the ears, make two circles. So one is over here and another one is over here like this. So face is almost ready. Now we have to make the body. So make a C over here from here like this, and now make the pant like this, and one more straight line and join it here. Now this dress is ready. Now join this from this point with a curved line like this, and make two circles and oval shapes like this over here. Join this line with this point. Now we have to make the legs. So draw two slanting line and one more slanting line over here. Now you can make the shoes. So for the shoes you have to draw one oval like this, and one more oval over here like this. Then you can dark it like this. One is here and another one over here. So legs are also done. Now we have to make the hand. I'm making hand on the back, so just draw one curve line like this, another one like this on the back, and for the second hand do the same. So it looks like his hand on the back. And now you can make the tail. So draw tail from here, make the just curve line. So you can see you can very easily draw the Mickey Mouse. Now time to do the outline and then color. So you can use sketch pen for the outline. Start with the eyes. Be careful when you are using sketch pen. And draw a small M for the tongue inside the mouth. Now for the head. Like this. Don't do the overline. Overlapping line you can leave. Just draw the outside line. When you're done with the outline, you can then do the colors. at last the tail, like this. So outline is done. Now we can erase the pencil lines so it's so little bit clear. So with the help of eraser you can erase it. Like this. Now you can see it's neat and clean. Now we can use colors. I'm using crayons, you can use any other kind of color. First use black color for the head and the body. So first do the outline. And then you can do the black color in the ear, like this. Do not leave any white space. If you want you can do watercolors as well. First you have to run with the crayons. So head is done. Now do the body. Same, first outline and then fill it, and do the same for the hands, legs and tail. So body is ready. Now we have to do the face and his dress. First do in the eye, black. Just give little bit small white portion so it give a shiny look, like this. Now and little bit in mouth. Don't do in tongue, just in mouth. So now time to do in face and body. For face you can use flash color. Be careful, don't do in the eyes. Like this. So when face is ready, now you have to do red color in his pant. So first outline, and then fill it in his pant. Don't do in the circles, you have to leave it white. And in last we have to do the shoes. For the shoe you can use yellow colors, like this. And your Mickey Mouse is ready. So I hope you enjoy this video. And first last thing I forgot is done red. Okay, now it's ready, so you can try it yourself. Thank you, have a nice day.